Hello and welcome to Viceverse. Have you ever heard of a chatbot? They are often not helpful or useful. But what if they could understand and answer any question you asked? Or even write and debug a code for you? Act as a personal assistant? Create a weight loss plan? Offer mental health support? Compose movie scripts? And much more. This is now a possibility with ChatGPT, a cutting-edge language model developed and released by OpenAI on November 30th, 2022. Since then, it has taken over the tech industry and the internet by storm. OpenAI is a non-profit AI research organization established in 2015 by leaders such as Elon Musk and Sam Altman, focused on advancing AI in a responsible and safe way for the benefit of humanity. Within just 5 days of its release, ChatGPT already had over 1 million users, a growth rate faster than that of popular applications like Facebook, Netflix, and Instagram. In this video, we will be explaining what ChatGPT is, how it works, what are the key features, ChatGPT's applications, why is it famous, and ChatGPT's limitations. So, sit back and enjoy the video. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a pre-trained language model that uses deep learning techniques to generate human-like text. It is based on the generative pre-training transformer architecture and was trained on a massive dataset of over 40 GB of text data. This allows it to understand and generate a wide variety of language, from casual conversation to technical writing. ChatGPT can be fine-tuned on specific tasks such as answering questions, writing creative content, summarizing text, and much more. The model is designed to generate text that is grammatically correct, contextually relevant, and can mimic human writing. How does ChatGPT work? ChatGPT works by using a technique called unsupervised learning to generate text. This means that it was trained on a large dataset of text without any specific labels or instructions. As it read through this data, it learned the patterns and structures of the language on its own. The model is made up of a neural network with multiple layers, including an attention mechanism that allows it to focus on specific parts of the input. It takes in a prompt or a starting text and then generates a response based on what it has learned from the training data. Whenever a user inputs a prompt or a starting text, ChatGPT uses the information that it has learned from the training data to generate a response. The attention mechanism then allows the model to focus on specific parts of the input, which helps it to generate more relevant and accurate responses. Additionally, ChatGPT uses a technique called transformer architecture, which is a type of neural network architecture specifically designed for handling sequential data such as text, audio, or video. It uses self-attention mechanisms to weigh different parts of the input, allowing the model to focus on the most relevant information when generating a response. Overall, ChatGPT's ability to generate human-like text makes it a powerful tool for a wide range of applications, including customer service, creative writing, summarizing long text, and much more. ChatGPT's key features. Now we'll be discussing the key features of ChatGPT. Communication in a conversational format. ChatGPT is a computer program that can talk to you like a person. It is good at having conversations and can answer your questions. It is also good at understanding the instructions and can give you more detailed answers on whatever you ask. It can talk about different things like science, maths, and stories. It can even admit when it makes a mistake. Some people think it could change how we use the internet to find information. One of the most amazing things about ChatGPT is that it responds to everything. ChatGPT is a computer program that has been trained to have conversations. It can understand and respond to many different types of writings, like papers, math problems, and stories. It can also answer follow up questions and admit when it makes a mistake. The last key feature is that it alters the way how people make use of search engines. ChatGPT can give you more than just links to click on when you search for something. It can also give you answers to difficult questions and help you solve problems. It can also help you find and fix bugs when you're working on a computer. This could change how people use the search engines. Applications of ChatGPT. ChatGPT has a wide range of potential applications. It will make your day to day life easy and will do the work for you. It can be used for generating responses to customer service inquiries, writing product descriptions, generating creative writing like poetry and story, creating chatbot for customer services, writing codes for programming, summarizing long text, and much more. How is it different from Google? ChatGPT 3 has the ability to perform tasks that Google cannot, such as writing a play. However, if used repeatedly to generate multiple plays, it may result in a monotonous pattern. When using it for the first time to write a play, the output can be intriguing, although not necessarily perfect. By providing a few prompts, ChatGPT 3 can produce a play. Google can provide information on a wide range of topics, but it is not designed to generate original text the way ChatGPT is. So ChatGPT can generate human-like text, while Google can provide access to information from the internet. Why is ChatGPT so much famous these days? What exactly is driving ChatGPT is that it is given to everyday public in person, and it does not require the user to have an advanced level of degree in artificial intelligence or computer science. You just have to put in the prompt of whatever you want and see what are the results. Now we will be looking at ChatGPT's limitations. ChatGPT, like any other language model, has certain limitations, but many of them can be addressed in the near future. Some of the limitations include lack of real time output, lack of common sense, lack of context, robustness, limited creativity, inability to access external URLs for reference, absence of location based capabilities, and difficulty answering basic riddles. That's it for our video on ChatGPT. We hope you found it informative and interesting. As you can see, ChatGPT is a powerful language model with a wide range of potential uses. It is very exciting to think about all the ways it could be used in the near future to improve our lives and make our work easier. Thanks for watching.